What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we are out in the Chevy Malibu yet again. And yes, we got it back from the dealer. Not that expensive. It's kind of one of the things that makes American cars kind of what they call domestic cars. Now, if you hear that little like shake, rattle, bang, whatever that noise is that you're hearing, that's something in the rear end. So it is going to go back to the dealer because I don't know if they just didn't put something together, or maybe there's something else broken on this car. I don't know. But to get out of the situation for $400 is actually not bad. Let's talk about exactly what it was that caused the car not to start, run, drive, or whatever. So guys, it's actually pretty plain and simple. There's a sensor in here that controls whether or not the car knows it's in park or not. And then there's another module that's by the ECU that controls like the park condition or whatever. And that's literally what went bad. And evidently it's a common issue on these Chevy Malibus.
215 East.
So, anywho's, I'm kind of done where I'm at with this car, and with the little rattle and stuff I'm getting now. You know, this car still runs and drives. Obviously, I'm running and driving it right now. It's got like half a tank of gas in it. Probably needs to be cleaned again. And you know, look, I haven't been easy on this car. Shout out to Carlos and everybody that was with me on their on their Twitter live. Somebody actually like just barely tapped the front of my car and tried to run, and I was able to find out how fast this car actually goes. And anything, how do I say this, anything over like 75, it takes a while to get to the top speed in this car. Long time. This car had problems trying to catch a Nissan Sentra. I'll just say that. Now, that might not be all Malibus. Maybe it's because this one has the Ecotech, which I think is a 2.0 shit motor. You know, that's probably what it was. But, you know, it is what it is, man. So what am I doing with the car now? Well, you figure $900 and then after fees, right at about $1,700, right? And then we're looking at $400 in the repair, and then I had it detailed to get rid of the garbage smell, you know, the rotten food smell in here. And I'm at a point where I'm like, I need to cash out on this car. It doesn't make any sense for me to consistently keep fixing things, which I know you're probably thinking it's 2018. What all could break on it? Well, it's a Chevy. Am I going to make money on the car? And I think the short answer is, hell yeah, I'm going to make some money on this car. I've had people say, why don't you take it to CarMax? Why don't you sell it to Carvana? And I could do that. And I am probably going to take this to CarMax and do a video just to see what I would get for it. And then, but I have a new thing that I'm doing with IAA now as well. And I'm thinking, why not run the car through the auction? I mean, I could put a reserve on it. I don't have to accept it, and just see what I'm able to get for it.
In half a mile, use the left 3 lanes to stay on I-215 East.
But I'm not going to just, how do I say this? And no, before you say, oh, COVID cough, you got a COVID cough. I've had this like dry cough from adjusting to the dry,
use the left 3 lanes to stay on I-215 East.
You know, conditions that we have here. And yeah, it sucks. Needless to say, I'm just kind of, I don't know.
Keep left to stay on I-215 East.
I feel like I should just cash out while I can, right? Because I know I could probably make, well, even if I run it through IEA, I'm probably going to make about $4 to $5 grand on this car. I know if I sell a private party with the way that the market is right now, some, you know, CarMax might pay me like 10 or 12 for it, possibly. I did do the Vroom / Carvana thing just to see what they would offer me for it. A few videos on that. They're scumbags, by the way. And there's some other videos you guys are going to see with other customers and stuff, and I got a whole series coming on them too, so stay tuned for that. But I don't know, it's just time for me to cash out, man. I'm going to take the win while I got it before something else breaks on this car and it gets to a point where maybe I'm breaking even or something else. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to be smart. You guys know I do not take losses on cars. I refuse, absolutely friggin' refuse to take a loss on a car. I'm not going to do it. I'm absolutely not going to do it. I won't. So, we'll see what happens, man. But, yeah, with that said, I don't know, we might have maybe another video on this Chevy Malibu while it's here. And that would probably be like, what did Carvana and Vroom offer for the car? And then we'll probably do a video of it going through the auction. Or maybe I sell it to CarMax. I don't know. But needless to say, the car is going to be sold fairly quickly. Just because, you know, like, I fixed the module. Now there's something rattling in the rear end. It's just like, I'm not... This is a car that was a fleet car for PG&E in California. And it probably had 44,000 very hard miles put on it, right? Stop and go. Lots of idling time. You got to think this is California, right? So, I don't know, man. I'm not going to, I don't know enough about the car. I'm not going to risk taking a massive friggin' L. And I'm just going to sell it. I'm just going to sell it. I don't need it. I mean, it's cool to putt around in because it gets, I'm not going to lie to you, I'm getting 30 miles to gallon in the car. But, you know, I get like 25 in the BMW, and I enjoy my BMW a lot more than I enjoy this. This is facts. So, you know, with the Aspen and everything else here now, it's kind of like, why am I still driving the car? You know, it's just gonna sit. You know, unless I'm making content or doing dumb stuff, and then I'm gonna break it, and then I'm gonna lose money. So it's like, let me sell it while I can. So, anyways, there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below on the Chevy Malibu. I'm not just hating on it as a complete platform or a car. I just think they're underpowered. You know, maybe if it had the 3.6 direct injection V6, I'd be a little bit more excited about it as a platform or a car. But the way it is right now, like just with the 2.0 4-cylinder, it's just it's trash. And I've had one of these before. You guys remember, if you watched way back, I won one of these at Copart. I think it was blue. Around the same time I won the Equinox. And that was kind of like at the end of buying new cars cheap at Copart. You know, I got really lucky on this one. That's, what can I tell you? You know, no keys, a non-runner, and I just got lucky, I guess. But anyways, there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you guys very much for watching. Like I said, we'll probably have a how much was I offered video on it through Carvana and Vroom, both of those scumbag companies, and we'll compare it to what CarMax offers, which I'm willing to bet is going to be significantly higher, and then you know, we'll see what's up. But anyways, I want to thank you guys very much for watching, and I will catch you guys very soon on the next one. Peace. I mean, it's not like it doesn't drive horrible, man. It's not a horrible driving. It's a great little, you know, comfortable commuter car. But it's just like dumb stuff like this. Look at the quality, like the carpet coming out and just other stuff, guys. That's why it's going up, man. That's why it's going up. Oh, yep. Well, there you guys have it, man. There you guys have it. I know y'all be like, what? The video's over. Yeah, it was. You know, it's over. It's over now. Why are you still here?